Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi 15 and Google Pixel 9 Pro to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, benchmarking test score results, as well as in daily usage. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So the Xiaomi 15 scored 2.65373 million points and the Pixel 9 Pro scored 1.358115 million points. So as you can see, the Xiaomi 15 is scoring nearly twice of what we are getting on Google Pixel 9 Pro. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can have a look on the test score result for CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Xiaomi 15 is way better compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. So the winner is Xiaomi 15. If we go to the Geekbench 6, so this test is divided in two parts, single core and multi-core, and as you can see, the Xiaomi 15 scored 3108 in single core and 9111 in multi-core, while the Pixel 9 Pro scored 1978 in single core and 4798 in multi-core. So in both single core and multi-core, the winner is Xiaomi 15. If we go to the GPU test, here you can see that Xiaomi 15 is scoring 3 times more points what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro, as Xiaomi 15 scored 18,576 and Pixel 9 Pro scored 6,319. So once again, the winner is Xiaomi 15. Now if we go to the Geekbench AI, so here you can have a look on the scores achieved in the single precision, half precision and quantized score. And once again, as you can see, in all of these three tests, performance of the Xiaomi 15 is better compared to the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now let's have a look on 3D Mark. That's a GPU benchmarking test. So it basically gives the idea about the GPU capability of the device. So there are multiple tests. If you go to the Steel Nomad Lite, in this you can see the Xiaomi 15 is scoring nearly twice of what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro. And when it comes to FPS, we are getting more than twice of FPS being generated on Xiaomi 15 compared to Pixel 9 Pro. So once again, the winner is Xiaomi 15. If we go to the wildlife, so both of these devices are powerful enough to totally max out on this, but here you can have a look on the frame rates being generated. So the Xiaomi 15 was able to get 59 FPS to 123 FPS, while Pixel 9 Pro was able to get from 37 FPS to 71 FPS. So once again, even though both of them maxed out, performance of Xiaomi 15 was better compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. And if you go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this you can see that Xiaomi 15 scored 6216 in terms of a score, and the average FPS generation was of 37.22, while we got 2623 in terms of a score and 15.71 average FPS. So once again, the winner is Xiaomi 15 in Wildlife Extreme as well. So as you can see that in all of these four tests, the performance of Xiaomi 15 is way better compared to what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro, and you can give the credit to the latest powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor we got compared to the Google Tensor we got on Pixel 9 Pro. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.